Hi everyone, we are about to take off. The cabin is packed and I'm ready for this adventure to Miami. Live Miami, taking shots and creating content for my Facebook page. Make sure you follow us for more amazing content coming your way.
This video you just watched now is created with just two apps, ChatGPT and Grok. And one good thing about it is for free. I use free version to create this particular video you just watched. If you go to my page, you will see other previous video AI videos I've been doing with my images. It's with these two particular app and all are just free. I made a post this evening on my Facebook page where I said that you can never run out of content ideas. With ChatGPT, you can never run out of content ideas. So quickly, let me show you how you can create this kind of video with just a picture. Like I created mine with my own picture. So let's go to the system now. Let me show you quickly how you can do it. So on the system, all we just need to create this particular video now is just my picture. Once I get my picture, I'll start doing all the magic, and I don't want this video to be long. So all the prompts I'm going to be using on this video, I'm going to just be saying it orally. I'm not going to be typing. So just follow along. So I have my picture. This is the picture we are going to use. This is the picture I just used to create that particular video you just watched now, this particular picture. So I'm still going to use it again to do this one now. So all you just need to do is to go to our ChatGPT. So here is my ChatGPT. Go to the plus button. I'll go to the plus button. I will click on the plus button. It will bring add photo and file. So I will click add photo and file. It will take me to my gallery where I have my photo or file, wherever you have your material that you want to work with. So it will take you there. So you go search for it, like I have my own today's date. Okay, this. So I will click on my picture. So it will bring it. So I will allow it to process. So once this place is active now, okay, now it's active, it's black now. So I'm going to give the prompts. I also said in my previous video, you don't need to be asking anybody to give you any prompt for you to generate any particular image. One, you need to know what you want to do. Then you go ahead and say the prompts. And once you say it, the ChatGPT will recognize it, will know it, will even help you to modernize it. For example, now I have my picture here, so I will click on this audio. Like I said, I don't want to be typing, so I'll click on the audio and say whatever I want to say. The ChatGPT will now write it and process it for me. Please, with my picture I just provided you with above, generate an image with it showing where I'm standing on top of a coconut tree in Miami, holding two phones, taking selfie, making videos of myself. So once I finish saying it, I'll just click the good sign there. It will now process it. So it has processed it. So now please, he said, please, with my picture I just provided you with above, generate an image with it showing where I am standing on top of a coconut tree in Miami, holding two camera, taking selfie, making video of myself. Yes. So now all I just need to do is to remove this please and then put just this prompt, generate a realistic realistic and cinematic image with the following information. So just press enter and give it some time to generate it depending on the network you're using. So just give it some time. If your network is very fast, it will generate it very, very fast. But then if your network is not fast, it will take a little bit time to generate it. Just give it some time to generate. So it has generated the image now. So all you just need to do is to download this image. Click on this download button to download the image to your gallery or anywhere in your system. So just give it some time, the network. So it has downloaded. So I will go back again because I have two images there. So I will go back again and write the same and tell him to generate another image for me using the same feature to generate another image for me. So I'll just give the prompts now. Using the same feature of the above image, generate generate an image for me where I'm sitting inside a plane full with passengers heading to Miami. So give it some time, it will process it, and then boom, using the same picture of the above image, generate an image for me where I'm sitting inside a plane with full passenger heading to Miami. Just click send, allow it to process. When it finishes processing, it will generate the image back again. So it has generated the image where I'm inside the plane full with passenger. We are heading to Miami. So now we'll have the two images we are going to work on. So these two images, so what I need to do is to download this image. So I'll click on it to download. So I've downloaded it now. So the next thing we have to do now is to take these images to Grok AI, where we'll now convert them to a video clip, and also give a prompt also where these videos will say anything we want them to say. So before going to that place, before going to Grok, I would like to write out my prompt I'm going to use there. So I'm going to write out two prompts here. So the first prompt is, we have boarded with full passenger heading to Miami. I can't wait for this adventure. So I will just send the prompt. I will allow you to generate the prompt. We have boarded with full passenger heading to Miami. I can't wait for this adventure. Okay, that is the first prompt I want to use. So I just send it just for the prompt to be there. So I'm in Miami taking pictures and videos for my Facebook page. Make sure to follow us on this page so that you don't miss out in any of our content. So let's go. I'm in Miami taking pictures and videos for my Facebook page. Make sure to follow us on this page. So after I've gotten the image now, so after I've gotten the image, the next thing to do is to go to Grok AI, then paste the images there and also give a prompt for the video. So now we'll start with the picture one. So I have the prompt I want to use for the picture. So I'll just copy my prompt, then open my Grok. So this is my Grok. So all I just need to do is to come to this place, click on video, select the video ratio 9:16, then come to this place where they put this sign attach. I will click on it. It will take me to my gallery. I'll do upload. So when I click upload, I will go to my downloads to check the recent images I just downloaded. I'll click on it, I'll bring it in. No, not this one. Okay, this one is the one on the plane. So let me go get the prompt. This is the prompt of this one. So I'll go back to grok.com. So I'll paste my prompt so that the image can say exactly what is here. Give it some time to download.
We have boarded with 4 passengers heading to Miami. I can't wait for this adventure.
So the next thing is to click download. So let's go and get the second picture now. So we'll go back to the same process. We'll click attach. We'll click on download. So we'll look for the second image. So I'll get the second image. So I'll bring the second image here. Give it some time to come up. So this is our second image. Let's go and look for the prompt that we're going to use for it. So I'll copy this prompt. I'll copy it. I'll go back to my Grok. Then I'll paste the prompt here. Then click on the download so that it can say exactly what is on that prompt. Give it some time depending on your network. If your network is fast, it will process it very fast.
Miami taking pictures and videos for my Facebook page. Make sure to follow us on this page so that you don't miss out on any of our content. Miami taking pictures and videos for my Facebook page.
So the next thing to do is to download. Click on download and boom, you've downloaded it. So you see, It's just very easy, very sweet and easy. You don't need to pay, you don't need to subscribe to any app to achieve this. From using your own image, converting your own image to an AI picture, make it to be anywhere you want to be in the part of the world. Then after that, take it to Grok AI, then make it to say anything that you want it to say. So please make sure you share this video so that other people too can see this video and get value from this video. If you never follow us on this page, I don't know what to wait for. Let us know what to do. See you in the next video. Love you.